Facebook Live. Hi everyone, today's video is all about me attempting to bake bread at home. I suck at baking bread, so if you do too, then this is gonna be a very relatable video for you. This recipe was given to me by my cousin who's like the best baker in our family, and she said it's super easy, you don't need to knead, all you need are 5 ingredients. So I'm gonna give it a try, and if it's a success and you have a hard time baking bread like I do, maybe this is the recipe for you. So the first thing we'll need to do is activate the yeast. I am using what is available to me, which is Fleischmann's. I'm going to mix this in with a little bit of sugar, a 1/4 cup of water to activate this yeast. So we're just gonna stir that a little bit. While that is doing its thing, I am going to, in a big bowl, mix flour. We're gonna start with 2 cups of flour. I'll probably end up with 3 cups, but let's just start with 2 cups. And then we have 1 full cup of water. I'm gonna go in with another cup. That's good. Now, I am going to add my yeast into this. It's not insanely activated, but I'm gonna put it in anyway, hoping for the best. Okay, this is looking a little bit too wet for me, so I'm actually gonna add a little bit more flour. Trying to make a YouTube video and I'm failing. Oh, snacka med att gjuten för torr nu. Yup, I fucked it up. Oh, I hate this. Okay. It feels that the test of, the test to see if the gluten has been developed in the dough is to take a piece of dough. I think it's pretty stretchy, and then stretch it out until it gets very thin without breaking. It's breaking a little bit, but like that part is not breaking, so I feel like this should be enough. The next step is to let it proof for 45 minutes to an hour, and we'll see if this does its magic. That was exhausting. Oh, in the meantime, I am going to preheat the oven. Cast iron in the oven with the lid on. It's supposed to preheat with, oh God. It's gonna be interesting pulling it out when it's hot. And then we'll start baking it at 500 degrees. Okay. I had to proof this baby for 2 hours. Oh, it's actually been a little bit more, so almost 2.5 hours, because I had so much flour in this dough. It was a little too much. So let's see how much the dough has grown. Well, this was humongous.
More flour?
So I have my parchment paper lined up here. My dough is gonna go on top of this parchment paper, and this whole parchment paper is gonna go inside of that cast iron. I'm gonna use half of this. I mean, come on. This is so much dough. Oh, maybe I didn't. Wow, all that air. Wow, look at that. This is not a, wow, that's so cool. I don't think I need this though. I'm gonna put it away. There needs to be a cut to make a nice pattern. I'm not gonna be able to make a nice pattern, but I'm just gonna try to make a cut. I'm putting it in the oven. Oh God. It is insanely hot. Ah. Oh God. Something's burning in there. In we go. And then the lid on. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ah. Okay, panic. 1, 2, 3. Ah, God. We made it. Yay! Okay, I'm ready to take it out. I am ready to take it out, and hopefully it is done because it is very done on the outside. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Let's put it here. Wow, look at that. What a beauty. I am really happy with that crust. So we're gonna just let this rest here for, I think, another half hour because it's really, really hot right now, and it actually continues to bake inside the loaf as it's hot. Okay, the moment of truth. I have to be honest with you guys. I think it turned out pretty great just looking at it. The crust is, it sounds very crispy. I love the color, and if you flip it, I don't know if you can hear it, but that sounds about right to me. It sounds hollow, it sounds light. I was scared it would be very dense, but there's only one way to find out. I'm actually nervous. Ah, okay. 1, 2, 3. Wow. You know, with all the steam coming out, I'm a little worried that I opened it a little too early because I think it would have kept on cooking. And if you look here, it almost looks, or am I being too hard on myself? Oh yeah, this part is a little raw. Okay, let's put them back together. Maybe we'll keep on cooking. Okay, I think this turned out fine. I think I just opened it a little bit. I cut through it a little bit too early. Let's grab it from this end then. But that crust is amazing. It's a fine line between done and did it need a couple of minutes more? I don't know. That crust though, listen to that. Yeah. I'm definitely gonna make this again. And just cut through the loaf much later. This was an adventure. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, please, I would love it if you would hit the subscription button and hit the bell button next to it to get notifications for upcoming videos. That's it for today's recipe vlog. I hope to see you in the next one.